In a world where nature's harmony is delicately balanced, one tiny creature plays a crucial role in sustaining life as we know it. This creature is the bee, a humble insect that buzzes in the background of our lives, often unnoticed yet indispensable. These industrious workers are the unsung heroes of our ecosystems, responsible for pollinating a staggering 70% of the world's flowering plants. From the vibrant fields of sunflowers to the lush apple orchards, their tireless labor facilitates the growth of much of the food we eat. They are the silent, buzzing orchestra conducting the symphony of life on our planet. But imagine a world where this buzz goes silent. What if one day these diligent insects vanish from the face of the earth? The consequences would be catastrophic. We'd stand on the brink of a food crisis, with our crops failing, our supermarkets emptying, and our ecosystems collapsing. The silent buzz could become a deafening silence. Without bees, we'd struggle to pollinate our crops. It would be a nightmare scenario for agriculture. Picture a world where fields of crops wither and die, the once vibrant colors fading to a dull, lifeless brown. The loss of bees would strike a devastating blow to our food supply. Farmers across the globe rely on these tiny powerhouses to pollinate their crops. From the apples in your lunchbox to the almonds in your granola, bees play a crucial role in their production. Agricultural experts warn us of the catastrophic consequences. The disappearance of bees could trigger a ripple effect, leading to food shortages and economic turmoil. With no bees to pollinate, crops would fail to bear fruit. Supermarkets could run out of produce, and prices for what remains could skyrocket. Many of our staple crops, such as apples, almonds, and berries, rely heavily on bee pollination. Without bees, these crops would fail to produce fruit, leading to food shortages and economic turmoil. Bees are not just important for agriculture, they are vital for maintaining biodiversity. Many plant species rely exclusively on bees for pollination. This is a statement that echoes the sentiments of countless scientists and environmentalists. The disappearance of bees would not just affect our food supply, it would disrupt the very fabric of our ecosystems. Consider this: bees are the unsung conductors of an intricate orchestra of life. They enable plants to bear fruit and seeds, which in turn feeds countless creatures. They help to create habitats for myriad species and facilitate the growth of diverse plant populations. But if these tiny conductors were to suddenly vanish, the symphony of life would descend into chaos. Plants would fail to reproduce, animal populations relying on those plants would dwindle, and entire ecosystems would crumble. In essence, the loss of bees would trigger a domino effect, leading to the collapse of ecosystems and the extinction of countless plant and animal species. Efforts to artificially pollinate crops would be costly and inefficient, unable to replicate the intricate dance of nature that bees perform effortlessly. Imagine a world where humans, with their clumsy hands and rudimentary tools, try to do the job of bees. It's a world where fields of flowers and orchards of fruit trees remain barren, their potential unrealized, because there are no bees to unlock their bounty. The disappearance of bees would not just spell disaster for our food supply, it would be an existential threat shaking the very foundations of life on Earth. Bees are the linchpins of our ecosystems, the tiny gears that keep the wheels of nature turning. Without them, those wheels would grind to a halt and the vibrant tapestry of life would unravel. For now, the fate of the bees rests in our hands. It's up to us to protect these tiny but mighty creatures and ensure a future where they continue to thrive alongside us.